What's the difference between a pre-approval and a pre-qualification? Many online lenders will give you a pre-qualification, but a pre-approval is more in-depth. Pre-qualify means I heard you that you make X amount of dollars per hour and that you have X amount of dollars in the bank. And I may have run your credit, but a pre-approval is I have vetted your paycheck stubs, I have vetted your tax returns, I have vetted your bank statements, and you are fully pre-approved, underwriting approved, ready to go. That's the difference. And in this market, you want a pre-approval over a pre-qualification. So if you've gone to an online lender and got a pre-qual, circle back. Your offer could go sideways and you want a pre-approval.